Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to link your bank account to SoFi application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have the Discover, the watch list, your account. We also have, as you can see, Invest. We have the Orders, and we have the Social in the bottom right corner. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and link your bank account to SoFi. So basically, it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So click on the third option in the bottom tab. So as you can see, we have Discover, Watch List, and Account. Click on Account. After that, click on Manage Bank Accounts, which is the first option out of all of these three options. Then, now, when you click there, you will, of course, just a second, I lost my internet connection. So now, when you click there, you will have, of course, an option to go and add your credit card in that part of the, of course, application. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Of course, as always, until then, bye guys.